Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create or set up PayPal business account. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser, and in the search bar you will have to type paypal.com. This will land you on the official website of PayPal. Now over here you will have to click on the tab that says sign up for free, and then you will be landed on the next page where you will be asked which type of account you want to create over here, whether you want to create an individual account or you want to create a business account. So as you want to create a business account, you will have to select the business account option and press the next button in the bottom. Then your application process will be started. So over here you need to provide the email address that you want to use in order to create your business account on PayPal. After that, it will ask you to create a strong password for your account. So you just have to create a strong password for your PayPal account, and then you need to press the submit button in the bottom. Then your application process will be started. So here it will first ask you about describing your business. So you need to click on this business type, and among the given options you just have to choose the one that best suits you. For the sake of this video, I'm going to select it as individual. Then in the product or services keywords, you will have to provide the area at which you are working, and then you will have to click on this purpose code option, and among the given options you just have to select the purpose code according to the skills or the product or services that you have selected. Then you need to provide the personal PAN number. So basically, as I live in India, that's why it is asking me the PAN number, but in your case it might ask your ID. If you are living in the United States, then it may ask you to provide your social security number. So you just have to provide these details over here. Then it will ask you to provide the CC statement name. So it is the 11 alphanumeric character. This name will show on your customer's card statements, so you will have to provide this detail as well. Then if you have any of the websites that describe your business, then you can also paste the link of that website in this section, and then you need to press the submit button. Once done, your application will be processed, and then you will be redirect on the dashboard of your PayPal account. It simply means that you have successfully set up your PayPal account. Now you just have to link your bank account with it, and you are good to go to use PayPal business account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.